Good day, people. We're gonna do an Clark's unboxing video. It's the Clark's Wallabee green camo unboxing. So if you're in the States and you order Clark's, it will come in this thing or bag. So I'm just gonna do unboxing today. Simple unboxing, nothing big. I saw it and I like it, so I got it. And it was on sale. Let's rip it open. Simple. I think this is my receipt. Interesting. Comes in a plastic bag now. So this is the green camo wallabies. Just a simple unboxing for the people who wants to get it. The crepe sole feels more slippery for some reason. That's my feet. Second foot. It was on sale for what, $70? I got it from clarksusa.com, I think. So these are the new Clarks in the collection. Very simple. Very simple. Simple Clarks. Wallabies. Green camo. I'm gonna do a Clark's update soon, collection update for the people who are interested. So these are the new Clark's. Green camo. Real, not fake, straight from clarks.com. Peace out.